Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue on corporate guarantee. The issue involved in the present case is that if any assessee gives corporate guarantee for obtaining loans, so whether this giving of corporate guarantee comes into the definition of international transaction. This issue has been taken by Kolkata ITAT in the case of Tega Industries Limited versus Assessment Unit, and this case has been reported in 111 ITR Tribunal Short Note 71, and the date of the order is 8th April 2024. In the present case, the assessee has given corporate guarantee for its subsidiary company and step down subsidiary companies in Singapore to obtain the loans. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the learned assessing officer was of the view that the assessee was required to offer the corporate guarantee fees as income. Since the assessee has not shown the corporate guarantee fees as income in its return of income, the learned assessing officer calculated the income in regard to corporate guarantee at the rate of 6.96%. The assessee was contesting that this is not an international transaction, and when this matter was challenged by the assessee and the matter was going into the tribunal elaborated the definition of international transactions according to section 92B. The tribunal said that according to section 92B, the international transactions include capital financing, long-term and short-term borrowings, purchase and sale of marketable securities, advance payments, deferred payments, receivables, or any debt arising during the course of business. So, the tribunal was of the considered view that the definition of international transaction according to section 92B is an inclusive definition and it includes capital financing, so corporate guarantee can also be included into the head of capital financing. In the present case, by giving the corporate guarantee on behalf of the subsidiary and step down subsidiary companies in Singapore to obtain the different loans, the interest burden of the associate company were reducing. So, as per the definition of section 92B, which talks about the international transactions and which is a very wide definition and which includes the capital financing, long-term borrowing, short-term borrowing. So, by analyzing that definition, it can safely be assumed that the corporate guarantee which is given to the associate company, that is the subsidiary and the step down subsidiaries in Singapore to obtain the loans, in directly or indirectly, the assessee is involved in the financing activity or in the capital financing. So, by importing that definition, it can be said that the corporate guarantee which is given by the assessee for its subsidiary companies is an international transaction, and the adjustment for international transaction should be done. In the present case, the assessing officer has taken a rate of 6.96%, but the tribunal reduced this rate to 0.5%. Friends, this case is very important at the face. It seems that the corporate guarantee should not be taken as an international transaction, but there are various other judgments also of various high courts and tribunals according to which the corporate guarantee given for its associate enterprise is a international transaction, and generally the rate adopted by various courts and tribunals is 0.5%, which is also taken in the present case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Tega Industries Limited versus Assessment Unit, and this case has been reported in 111 ITR Tribunal short note 71. The matter has been decided by Kolkata ITAT C bench, and the date of the judgment is 8th April 2024. Thank you, friends.